See, we have met the Honorable Governor with regard to our doubts that we have about the government's intentions on Madai. The governor seems to be very concerned about the issue. You can even ask him when he will attend the IFI function today evening. We have exactly told him what is the present position, what is the defense of the government, the defense of the government to divert issues, to mislead the public by creating new frontiers, false flares like saying that our going to the NGT has harmed Goa's case. I want to ask the Honorable Chief Minister how he is staying absent for the Madai NGT hearings has helped Goa's case. So, किने उलयता? We have also discussed with him the various issues concerning financial mismanagement by the government. Prakash Javadekar is coming, but if he is coming, the Honorable Governor has promised us that he will raise this issue. He has also appreciated our concern, not only for Madai but also for other related issues which I have said.
ते एक लोकांक दाखोवंक सोदता शिक्षितल्या लोकांक की गव्हर्नमेंट सारको चलना म्हणून आमी गव्हर्नराक वचून कंप्लेन दिला. प्रत्येक ऑपोजिशनाचो तो एक रोल आसता आनी ते रोल आपलो खेळता. दे आर ट्रायंग टू put in the minds of the people that the governance and the government is not functioning well. लोन्स वयर पावल्या म्हणून ते दाखोवंक सोदता आनी हेंचे कडेन मॅनेज जायना म्हणून दाखोवंक सोदता. पूण इट इज अदरवायज. We have a majority of 30 MLAs supporting this government and more are also there. 1 or 2 from the Congress are also supporting this government directly and indirectly. So the caution of destabilizing this government does not arise. We are strongly behind our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant.